This is a poem called The Sound of Your Laughter. It's by Ron Berg, and I found it on www.poemhunter.com. The sound of your laughter, to my children and yours too. The sound of your laughter is what pulls me through the harshest winter. The sound of your laughter makes every bright summer day brighter. The sound of your laughter is what gets me up in the morning. With it, I can take anything life can bring. Not to make too much out of it, but to me, every day is a good day to live to the sound of your laughter. Goodbye.